ride. Almost at the club.
What's up, YouTube? Thanks for watching this video. As always, like, subscribe, drop a comment, all that other good stuff. You know what it is. So today, I'm gonna be putting in the Burger Motorsports oil catch can. These are some other parts that I'm gonna be putting in later. I don't know if I'll do a video on that, but anyway, this is a catch can. Let's get a look at what we got in here. Alright, so some paper, I don't know what that is. The long hose, catch can itself. I was putting a whole bunch of oil into my intake, so I decided I need to get this. So apparently this is the in hose right here, which goes on this side. And then this here is the out hose, which goes on the other side. Apparently they don't need clamps because they fit on pretty snug, but I'll be putting some grease on them just to make sure they stay on pretty snug. They go on pretty snug. But without further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty, so catch can is gonna go right about here. It's gonna sit like right over here. I think I'm gonna put it so that it's on this side. Hopefully it'll fit in this area. Or I may put it on this side so it'll fit better. This is more space. So first thing I have to remove is this. I have three of them. I think there's another one in the back, but there's 3 Allens. So we got my 5mm Allen. So now there's gonna have to be some modification done to the back area of the cover, but I'll do that off camera. Probably a little bit of cutting, just to show you guys what needs to be cut. So now, you see right here, this piece, pretty sure it's gonna have to be cut off because it sits right over the hose area that it's gonna be going to. So I'm gonna do that off camera and cut that off. So next thing is gonna be to remove this hose right here, along with, this is where the PCV goes to. So I'm just gonna take out the whole thing, just off. Alright, so these two are the sides, main sides. These will still hold, but you just pull these out. Same thing over here. I'm gonna line up the hoses in the back area, and then I'm also gonna line up where the catch can is gonna go. So now the catch can is gonna sit right in this area here. So I'm gonna just lube up the hoses, some grease, slide them on, and then orient them when I put it in. I think I'm going to cut it up here and fit it on, or just put this on first and then cut it and fit it on. Let me go ahead and do this one real quick. And hose is cut, more grease, the because this thing is becoming a pain. This hose looks like it can get on a little more because it's still leaching. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to pull out this piece here. I'm going to try to pull out this piece here and then try to fit this on and then drop it back in. See how that goes. Just like that. Catch can is in there. Line goes around to down there. That's the outside. And the other line goes over here to that side. And that's pretty much the installation. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off that piece off the engine cover, and then I'll reinstall that. Show you guys how that looks. Alright, so I went ahead and shaved this piece off here so that it won't be hitting on the back area of the catch can, the hose. So let me go ahead and reinstall this and see how it fits. Drop a link in the description so you guys can get the catch can for yourselves. Once again, there it is in the back. Once again, like, subscribe, drop a comment, any suggestions. It was really hot in here. Next time I need to get a fan.
I ain't playing with niggas. I'm like Black
that,
Mamas. Going for 81, rest
later.
in peace, Black Mamba. Vegas nights playing cards, shopping off season. Grab the white, red wine, shit, we all leave. Hear me well, no, I won't fail. Icy watch, my wrist won't swell. Bottles in my sex, did shouting me out. I hit new plateaus when they counted me out.